Now we are covering amendment in Finance Act 2020 with respect to cooperative societies. With respect to cooperative societies. Important, bloody very important. We can expect this in the examination because Nirmala Sitharaman ji introduced this topic. First thing first, on the screen. Cooperative society have to pay the tax. Likewise, in first proviso to section 112 under capital gains, you have an option to pay tax at 10% without indexation, 20% with indexation for 3 assets. Similarly, before cooperative society, before the amendment, cooperative society had no option. They had to pay tax at certain rates. But now Sitharaman said, we will give you 2 options. First, option 1, which is the previous taxation system, which was continuing from many years. You can follow this. Continuing from many years. This was the position before the amendment also. Previous taxation system. Income, don't copy, I'll give you time. And tax. Income and tax. If income is up to, up to 10,000, tax will be 10% of income. Tax will be, my income of cooperative society is 5,000. 10% of 5,000, 500. Rule number 1, they do not get any basic exemption limit. There is no basic. Basic exemption limit is given to that particular person who needs food to eat, clothes to wear, and house to stay. It means it is given to individual and HUF. For your basic necessities. हिंदी में बोलते रोटी कपड़ा मकान, तेलुगु में आई डोंट नो, कन्वर्ट करो रे. रोटी चपाती, तेलुगु में रोटी चपाती, जो भी है. Listen, if the income is up to 20,000, it is 20% of income. Exceeding 10,000, exceeding, and here we write 1,000 plus. How did I get 1,000 plus? That is the tax up to 10,000. And the last one, greater than, this becomes 30% of income exceeding 20,000. This will be 3,000. How do I get 3,000? Up to 10,000 is 1,000. 10,000 to 20,000 difference is 10,000. Us per 20%, 2,000. That's all. This is not an amendment. This was there from last so many years. But during that time they had no option. They had to follow this. Now Sitharaman said, I will give you second option also. This second option is amendment in फाइनेंस एक्ट 2020। आपको बैकग्राउंड समझ में आया? सो कॉर्पोरेट, सीतारामन से डायरेक्ट cooperative society, you have to pay tax as per these rates or these rates. What are these rates? We will cover that now. Background clear? Important है सर, amendment है, so please be careful. I'll go very slow. यहां तक कॉपी कर लो पहले। हॉरिजॉन्टल हेडिंग करो। क्या क्या? हाँ, व्हाट? हाँ, प्लीज कंटिन्यू। हो गया क्या रे? नाइस रे। हु वाज दैट? आई लाइक दैट नाइस। ए बोलो रे जल्दी, कितना लिख रहे रे? 2 ही वर्ड्स तो लिखना है। सुनो, सेकेंड ट्री क्या है? ऑन द स्क्रीन। डो नॉट कॉपी अंटिल आई कंप्लीट। चलो वापिस बोल रहा हूं, amendment came for option 2. Option first, previously there was no option, you had to pay tax as per option 1 only. Now they have introduced option 2. heading bolo, section 115 bad, BAD. One more section you have in amendment, BAC, that is for individual new taxation regime, that will be taken later on. Will be taken later on. We have in module 1 also. This is BAD. Check our module of cooperative society chapter. Do we have this section somewhere after the problems or before the problems? You don't have? नहीं है तो छोड़ दो, एक बार चेक करो बस। नहीं है? Intentionally it is not done because I want to have notes in your book. सुनो अब, हेडिंग पढ़ो प्लीज। हेडिंग पढ़ो, टैक्स ऑन इनकम ऑफ सर्टेन, इट्स नॉट कंपनी सेक्रेटरी, कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी। इट्स नॉट कंपनी सेक्रेटरी, इट्स कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी। Shall we start? This section is effective from, that is financial year 2021 or assessment year 21-22. It's effective from. Okay, and cooperative society has an option. So first thing first, this is an optional section. क्या ये? This is like section 10 of CGST Act. Composition scheme. Composition scheme is also optional. This is like 44 AD of Income Tax Act. Presumptive taxation 8% or 6%. That is also optional. First, पढ़ो यार. This section applies. पढ़ो वापिस. Only to चलो पढ़ो. This section applies to resident cooperative society. Resident cooperative society. That's the reason heading may we have resident. So I can confirm this section of do not apply to NRCS, non-resident cooperative society. ये सेक्शन किसको मिलता? वापिस बोलो रेवेश फेलोस. Resident cooperative societies. Am I clear? Secondary. Tax rate is a flat rate. क्या? 25.168%. You have to remember this. No other option. I'm sorry? The logic behind this is tax rate is 22, surcharge is 10% plus 4% cess. Confirm how much you are getting. अरे वेस्ट फेलो confirm करो रे. 25 point. It is. बोले तो even if your income is 1 rupee, this is the rate. Surcharge will be added. Cess also will be added. You don't remember that, you have to remember 25.168%. अब एक लॉजिक समझाओ. ओके सर. My income is 1 lakh. If I opt for option 1, मेरे को टैक्स बोलो. टैक्स చెప్పండి వేస్ట్ ఫెలో करो. wait, 80,000 into 30%, 24 plus 3 plus S, 28, 3080. If I go for option 2, $25,168. Which option will you opt? Which option will you opt? That too have taken income only. If it is 1 crore, the difference will be huge. So which section is beneficial? Section option 2 is beneficial. पहले आपको लॉजिक समझा रहा हूं सर. ठीक है. बट सीतारामन is सीतारामन. I am giving you higher rate than option 1 or lower rate than option 1? I am giving lower rate than option 1. I will take few chocolates from you. I will take few chocolates from you. That will be covered under conditions. अब यहां देखो क्या होता. वापिस बोलो. Conditions. Number. Cooperative society. क्या? Cannot avail benefits of following sections. If you want to go for second option, you have to give these sections to government. समझ में आ रहा? स्लोली जा रहे सर. ऑप्शन 2 इज लोअर टैक्स रेट और हायर टैक्स रेट. वापिस पूछ रहा हूं, lower tax rate, but we have to forego certain benefit. Number A, 10AA you cannot avail. That is SCZ benefit will be covered in module 2. In IPC you must have covered 100% export profit, 50% export profit, export turnover by total turnover. If you have not covered, I will cover. Next, you will not get additional depreciation. You will not get what? That is covered under section 32 subsection clause 2A. You will not get 33AB or ABA. This will be covered in PGBP. Don't worry. I cannot explain today. Next, you cannot get section 35. What is 35? Ne? अरे वो डोनेशंस वाला अरे रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट यू कैन नॉट अवेल. नेक्स्ट 35 again I am repeating, all these sections we will be covering later on. You don't worry about it, but these sections cannot be availed. And next is 35 AD, this also cannot be availed, and you cannot avail deductions under 80C to 80U, means 80P also cannot be availed. 80P may we have 10 incomes, we will first add and deduct, but if you avail option 2, we will only add, we cannot deduct. Stand deduction of 50,000 1 lakh also cannot be given. That is income tax then. Clear? Deduction of chapter 6A. Except 80JJAA and 80LA. This will be covered later on. If it's covered, well and good. Not covered, later on it will be covered. So can I conclude features? Point number 2, deduction under 80JJAA and 80LA is available. Am I clear with this point? Chalo bolo, which sections are I have to forego? Wapis bolo. 10AA. Additional you can get normal depreciation. One more they have clarified. You can claim what? Normal depreciation under section 32 subsection 1 clause 2. Remember this. Remember, maximum depreciation rate as per Income Tax Act is 40%. Before it was 60, 80 also, 100 also for few assets. Now it is 40%. I am not telling this. Government is telling me this. So once again let us understand on the screen. This section applies to resident cooperative society which are situated in India. Tax rate 25.68. But there are certain conditions. Now, this is condition number 1. Condition number 2. Condition number 2. How to avail bad. Government clarified. Cooperative society, when you are filing return of income, there we will ask you one question. Do you want to avail? You have to mention there yes or no. 1 point will be added in the return of income. किसके लिए? कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज के लिए. So how to avail? Can be availed on or before the due date of filing return of income under section 139(1). सर ये अमेंडमेंट कौन से ईयर के लिए आया? 2021. It's not necessary that you can avail in this year. After 5 years I want to avail, I can avail. बोल तो from now till next n number of years I can go for option 1. Whenever I want to go for option 2 I will go. But उसमें googly है, once you go for forever option 2 only will apply. Simple. Forever option 2 only will apply. It's like marriage. It's like marriage. एक बार ऑप्शन 2 ले लिए, you cannot come out. You cannot come out. That is a googly point there. Overview clear? More points I will dictate, not an issue. But समझ में आया? Before the amendment, you didn't have option. You had to pay tax as per these rates. These rates. But now you have an option. ठीक है? चलो पहले लिख लो सर, then other points I will dictate. Where is the condition? Next page. You will write there only, but I will turn the page. चलो लिखो. Listen now. One more point I miss. सुनो ये पढ़ो. Section applies only to situated in and registered. And in India only registered. और कहाँ register करते रहे? Waste fellows. इंडिया में registered होता ना. And registered. This को डब्बा करो. स्टार्ट करूं? ठीक है, बोलो रे, हो गया तो ठीक है. Which tree is pending now on the screen? Recent clarification has come. पहले clarification सुनो, then I'll give you time to note down. If you want to avail lower tax, I have to forego certain sections. How to avail this section? One option will be given by filing criteria, yes or no. But if you say yes, forever. अब सुनो हुआ क्या? Listen, there was a doubt which CBD clarified. Okay, I filed the return. I said yes. So which option I should follow? 1 or 2? 2. And this section has to be followed forever. I said yes. Next year when I filed the return, I violated these conditions. Which condition? One a condition. ये ले लो. I claimed ATP in my return of income, which is not allowed. So government says, you said yes, you have to follow this section. But in future, if you violate, we will pick you from option 2 and push you in option 1 forever. Then you cannot jump from 1 to 2. We will push you from 2, take it to 1 forever. Let us read now. Once availed, this section has to be followed forever. Okay. However, if 115BD is violated in future, you have to pay tax as per, and option 2 cannot be availed ever. Baba, these are complicated concepts. I am giving you easy understanding. Option 2 select kare, throughout the life go to option 2. Violate option 2 conditions, we will take you from option 2, throw you in option 1 forever. Then you cannot zigzag or jump from here and there. Simple logic, sir. ये conditions में लिख लो. नहीं, काम करो. Write this under conditions. Write this under features. ठीक है? Features में point number कौन सा है? 4th point under features. चलो, start. चलो हो गया। रिमेंबर वन मोर पॉइंट ऐड रख लो, यहाँ लिख लो, एनी ब्रॉट फॉरवर्ड लॉसेस ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ दीज सेक्शंस will become dead loss. Dead loss बोल तो cannot be set off, cannot. If you have brought forward losses of on account of these sections, then those becomes dead loss. ठीक है, ये बोल रही हो गया तो चलो ऑन द स्क्रीन ATP comes under standard deductions also. Sorry, this is not 35 AD, Rari. 32 AD. Sorry, make a change. 32 AD and 35 AD also we have. Both we have. 35 AD, for your knowledge, is specified business. Will be all these sections will be taken up in PGBP. 10AA will be taken in alternative minimum tax concept for SEZ purpose. This section is. Sir, how many features are done? Bolo re 4. Shall I continue? On the screen. Number 5, number 6. On the screen. Together we'll read. Suno. Attention please here, everyone on the screen. Everyone. यहाँ देखो, last bench. If a cooperative society earns special income which has special tax rates, those rates only will apply. What is option 2 में tax rate? Louder. 25.1. Now the confusion came. What if they earn casual income? There we covered it is taxable at 30%. Those rates only will apply. Long term capital gain under 1128, 10% in excess of 1 lakh. So if any income has, those rates only will apply. Which does not have special rates, 25.168% will apply. Am I clear with this? Yes or no? But they have added one more new googly here. Special tax rate plus surcharge at 10% also will come, cess at 4% will also come. Bole to, if a cooperative society earns casual income, their tax rate will be 30 plus 10%, 33% plus 4%. Kittari 34 point, that should be the tax rate. If he earns long term, 10 plus 10% gives you 11.44. That will be the tax rate, effective tax rate. Yahan tak clear? And if you avail option 2, which section is option 2? BAD. MAT provisions, alternative minimum tax concept will not apply. Which concept? Not MAT. MAT is minimum alternative tax. We are talking about AMT, alternate minimum tax. Concept will not apply to them. ये 2 पॉइंट्स कॉपी करो. कहां पे? फीचर्स में कॉपी करो. ठीक है गाइस, कंप्लीटेड. अच्छा, now so this was amendment with respect to cooperative society section 115 BAD, very important for your May 21 or November 21 or subsequent attempts thereafter. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.